Alright, here we are in the big city of Cat House Rock. And we're gonna go climbing. Big M's gonna do her first lead, trad lead, second lead in the park. Daddy got an owie. Alright, this is how you fix owies in J-Tree. Super glue, stolen from the Boeing factory, Renton.
You better not post that anywhere, you'll get in trouble.
Oh, no. If it has to do with safety, we're allowed to take it home. And to keep Kenny safe on the rock, he's got to have a no Gobbie thumb. So, fucking uh-oh. Houston. We're gonna pause this. Technical difficulty. No.
Okay. Alright, it's done. It's on.
Look at that. Look at that freaking crack in the shade.
Uh-huh.
That looks bitchin' and it's in the shade. Well, look at that. Alright. So, Gobbie, splitter, to be precise. It just it just keeps getting bigger. Oh, and this stuff is the Luscious skin repair tape.
Oh my god, that is sick.
Okay, so now where do we go from here? You don't touch anything, that's for damn sure. And ooh. All right. Now, you don't let it dry like that because that's just a tad too much. Sacrificial J-Tree twig. And you dab it off until you have a nice helmet of glue. Kenny's happy Gobbie. Clean up the excess. Okay, go ahead and hit the red button on top. So now we got dried Gobbie splitter no more, and kind of file it down a little bit, rid of the high spots. There we go. Splitter no more. Good to go.